see? In the basket, what do we see? Apple, round and red. Let's take a bite.
Crunch!
Crunch, 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 crunch. It's a crunchy apple.
Say it loud!
Apple! In the basket, what do we see? In the basket, what do we see? Banana! Long and yellow. Let's start to peel.
Peel!
Peel, 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 peel. It's a yummy banana.
Say it loud!
Banana! In the basket, what do we see? In the basket, what do we see? Strawberry! Small and red. It tastes so
Sweet!
sweet, 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 sweet. It's a red strawberry.
Say it loud!
Strawberry! In the basket, what do we see? In the basket, what do we see?
Grapes!
Purple and green. Let's pop one in.
Pop!
Pop, 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 pop. 1, 2, 3, grapes, say it loud.
Grapes!
In the basket, what do we see? In the basket, what do we see? Oranges! Bright and orange. Let's squeeze the juice.
Squeeze!
Squeeze, 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 squeeze. It's a juicy orange.
Say it loud!
Orange. Apple, banana, strawberry, grapes, and orange. We love our healthy fruits. You did a great job today. That was so much fun. Please subscribe so I can see you again soon.